Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, plug it in or confirm battery is at least 50% because updates can fail on low power. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data costs and interrupted downloads. Make sure you back up photos and app data to your cloud or local computer so you can restore if anything goes wrong. These steps reduce risk and save time. Now move to checking the update availability. You navigate to Settings, then System or Software Update. This is where the phone checks the manufacturer and carrier servers for new builds. Once you tap Check for updates, read the release notes to see security fixes and feature changes, because that informs whether to proceed now versus later. If the update is available, allow download over Wi-Fi and keep an eye on the notification shade. The device will fetch the package, verify integrity, and prepare for installation. Don't interrupt the process. You tap Install and the phone will reboot into the updater. Let it run without powering off, because interrupting installation can brick the device. After the update finishes, go through any setup prompts and verify the Android version in Settings. Right arrow About Phone to confirm success. If apps misbehave, update them via the App Store and reboot again. Troubleshooting tip. If installation fails or the phone loops, wipe cache from recovery or boot to safe mode to isolate problematic apps before retrying the update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.